Church that's been here for over 65 years, destroyed from an act of arson. Casa Grande police believe it was set by this hooded suspect caught on surveillance. An individual they say is yet to be identified. While the church is still operating out of a temporary building, the demolition of this historic church is upsetting yet hopeful for Father Jesus Gomez.
So today was a day that we were sort of dreading for it not to come, because we obviously love this building, this church. Slowly but surely we will rebuild as a sign of hope.